Hello! In this video I want to show you how to change your Steam Store language preferences. So in order to do this we'll need to open our store. From here hover over your store, find preferences. Here there should be language preferences, and from this list you'll be able to pick which games you want to see on the Steam. So for example, if a game is only visible in German and you want to select it like this, then this game won't be visible. So just pick whichever languages you know, and that way you'll see all games available in them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.